everyone. Today, we're going to do some math together. It's called graphing. Today, we're going to graph how many people are in your family. So you can follow along and do it with your family, or you can do it at a different time. So I'm going to write it down. How many people are in your family? And modeling or showing how to write or when you're writing helps children understand that things that you say verbally can be written into words. So I'm going to switch colors. You can have them pick out their own colors or label colors. There's a lot that you can add to this. So I'm going to use blue because I'm wearing a blue shirt today. So this is going to be my name, Debbie. So how many people are in your family? In my current family, that means in the house I live in right now, I have 1, 2, 3. I have 3 people in my family. So I'm just drawing little smiling faces. You can just have them do circles. They can do squares. You can make tally marks, which are just lines that are vertical lines. But this represents the 3 people in my family. Because I can't really use real information from our current classroom families, I'm going to do my brother-in-law's family in Spokane. So I'm going to give them a different name for privacy reasons. So LT, that's my brother-in-law. Let's see how many people are in their family. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They have a mom, a dad, and 3 boys. I have me, my husband, and my brother. So let's see how many they have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They have 5 people in their family. So having your child pointing and touching each one as they count will help them understand one-to-one correspondence. That means that one number goes with one object. And then you could talk about, which one has more? 5 or 3? I should have lined them up so then they can actually see. That was my fault. I made a mistake. Like that way they could see that there was 2 more people in 5. And there's 2 less people with 3. So 5 would be more or bigger. But because I drew it kind of slanted, you can't really tell. But that's how you can do some simple graphing with your child at home. I hope you have fun with that. And you can use it to do other things too, like how many leaves versus pine cones you pick up, how many spoons versus forks that you have in the house, how many mittens or how many socks or how many hats. There's a lot of things you can do with math at home. Or you can talk about the different things in families, like some people have two moms or two dads. Some people live with grandparents or their uncles and aunts. Some people live in one house and then after a few days, they go to a different house. So they live in two houses. So maybe they have two of their families, but in different houses. It's up to you how you want to, what kind of families you're representing and how you talk about it with your child. I hope you had fun. Until next time, bye.